Yeah, what's up, tech guys? How is it go right there? I'm Babs, and to this one is what is presentation layer, and this is AI Infotech where we deal with technicality in technology. We talk about and explain technology with what we give it to you in a concise way that you can best understand, and you don't have difficulties in learning, and we don't use too much of professional words. We use concise English to explain to you what you should know. I mean, for your better understand and to make your life a lot easier. We've started this class for a while, and we are doing the introduction, and in this one is the presentation layer part of this one of the OSI module, in which we want to explain to you right now. Okay guys, let's begin. Don't forget, if you are just joining this class, kindly endeavor to just click on the subscribe button so you'll be able to see our next video as it is coming in, and you can use the comment section in this video to let us know your concern, and please support us by liking and sharing this video, as well as clicking on the subscribe button to help us reach 50,000 subscribers before the end of this year. Thank you so very much. Okay, what is the presentation layer? Now, the presentation layer is the sixth layer of the OSI module. Now, the presentation layer is the layer of the OSI open system interconnection model that establishes context between application layer entities, in which the higher layer entities may use different syntax and semantic if the presentation services provide a mapping between them. If a mapping is available, presentation services data units are encapsulated into session protocol data unit and pass down the stack. This layer provide independent from data representation encryption by translating between the application and network format. The presentation layer transform data into formats or transfer the data into form that the application will accept, that each application accepts. This layer formats and encrypt data to be sent across the network. Now, what presentation layer does is very easy. What it does is that it helps you to choose the format in which to send a message via the network from the source to the destination. Is one that is responsible for choosing what format to use. Is either if it should encrypt it, or it should compress it, or rather put it in an encapsulation and transmit it to the network from the source to the destination it is going. Now it is responsible for all this part. And furthermore, I will explain to you what presentation like. What I am concerned, as I always say, is your understanding, and I will use different ways to make you understand what I'm trying to pass through. Now, the presentation layer is located at the sixth, which I have said is responsible for delivering and formatting of information to the application layer for further processing or display. In the next class, I will talk about what the application layer is. Now, this type of service is needed because different computer architecture use different data representation. So, in contrast to providing transparent data transport, as the fifth layer level, the presentation layer handles the issue related to data presentation and transport. Now, it's there are different kind of formats, there are different kind of systems used in passing the information. You can't open the Linux you can't use the Linux protocol in Windows protocol, as well as Ubuntu, as well as other protocols like that. I mean, you can't open some files. Like now, you want to open a JPEG file in a Mac. Mac environment, it will show hazardous. You won't be able to open it. There's all kind of all kind of format in which you have to use, and is what the presentation layer is the one that is responsible for it. Now that's what presentation layer does. Before you can now transmit it to the normal system or normal destination it should go. Now the function of presentation layer is: 1, network security and confidentiality management, text compression and packaging, virtual terminal protocol, which is the word VTP, syntax conversion. The abstract syntax is converted to the transfer syntax. What it means is that you'll be able to transfer the format to the right format that the person will be able to read and understand. That's what the presentation layer will do. And other side to achieve the opposite conversion. Transfer syntax will be converted to abstract syntax, involving in the content of the code, character or conversion. Now it depends on the type of format. Then you can choose your modification. Now grammar negotiation. According to the requirement of application layer, to negotiate the appropriate choice of contents, that is to determine the transition syntax and another. Like I said, now the way in which you want to transfer the format, the grammar, the word. Is it English? Is it Italian? When you're into proof reading, you should understand what I'm saying more. Like you could use one language and format it in a different kind of language to the right destination, to the right understandable manner. Like dictionary, we have different kind of, we have English dictionary, we have so many different type of dictionary. This is our presentation layer. So it helps you format it helps you put it in the right format it should be, so that the right person can understand the protocol of what we are talking about. We have connection management. The connection management, including the use of session layer services to establish a connection, manage data transport, and synchronize control over this connection using the corresponding service at the session level, and terminate the connection either normally. Now, when did they bring this word? This presentation layer, it has developed a series of standards such as DP8822 and other series like that. Now that was what presentation layer do. Presentation layer protocol are: 1, Apple filing protocol, independent computing architecture, lightweight presentation protocol, network data representation, telnetting, and those. There's this protocol I will work with you in the practical session, which I will still surely introduce in the future as I wrapping up with the theoretical part. Now, thank you for staying with me in this class, and prepare yourself for the next one, which is the application layer. Don't forget, if you have not subscribed to this channel, kindly endeavor to subscribe so you can be the first person to see see the next video as we are uploading it. Okay, you never forget, you can convert your work to any format. And when you are converting your work to any format, you're saying, okay, I want to use the JPEG format, I want to use this format, so I want to use the PDF. Is the presentation layer that is responsible for all this format, and they help you to convert everything successfully. Thank you for staying with me up to this moment, and I want to appreciate my new subscribers, my returning viewers. I thank you all for your support. Please, I need more subscribers, and I want to reach 50,000 before end of this year. Have a wonderful day and stay blessed.